Look, you don't have to try to be funny. That's where people go wrong. And I say this as someone who spent 30 years in comedy, as a TV writer and as a comedian. Here's the secret of comedy. Truth is funny. That's it. Truth is funny. Life is absurd. People are bonkers. Truth is funny. All we do as comedians is observe and report truth. So when you're trying to add humor to your speech, don't think of it as terms of trying to add jokes. I gotta add jokes. I gotta add gags. Add truth. And two kinds of truth that work really well are self-awareness, which is not the same as being self-deprecating. Self-awareness is simply being aware of what someone else might be noticing or thinking. And specificity is, if truth is funny, the details of that truth is hilarious. Details are relatable. Share that. I mean, here's one. I had a client who he was talking about how the new son-in-law, one of the things he loves about him is he sees him as an old-fashioned gentleman. And the son-in-law had asked Dad for his daughter's hand in marriage, and he had done it while he was on vacation with the family, and they were taking a walk on the beach, and the son-in-law asked, and the father-in-law, of course, said, yeah, of course. And there was crying, and there was hugging, and then the dad said to me, and then we realized that we're basically two guys in wet swimsuits, bare-chested, hugging, and that other people looking might have interpreted, that it looked like one of them had just asked him to marry him. That is just an observation. That's self-awareness. He's not putting himself down. It's not gay. It's not gay. It has nothing to do with any sort of judgment. It's just realizing, then we sort of, we had this very open, vulnerable moment, and then we realized, well, we're basically half naked and wet. Maybe let's stop hugging now. But it turned into a wonderful moment in the speech.